The PlayStation Portal uses QR codes for quick and easy pairing with your PS5. First, ensure both your PS5 and Portal are powered on and connected to the same Wi Fi network. On your PS5, go to Settings, System, Remote Play, Enable Remote Play. Then select Link Device to display a QR code on your TV screen. On your Portal, open the PlayStation app and choose Scan QR Code. Point the Portal's camera at the QR code on your TV. Hold steady until it scans successfully, usually within 5 to 10 seconds. Once scanned, follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. If the QR code scan fails, ensure there's sufficient lighting and a clear line of sight between the Portal and the TV screen. Make sure both devices have the latest firmware updates. If problems persist, restart both the PS5 and the Portal. After successful pairing, you'll need to log in with your PlayStation Network credentials on the Portal. Enter your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, approve the login via your phone or Authenticator app. Once logged in, you can start streaming games from your PS5 to the PlayStation Portal. Note that the QR codes expire after 5 minutes to prevent misuse.